For my midnight pumpkins, I'm going to start by drawing a pretty large pumpkin right here. I'm using the darkest shade of orange I can. And I started by drawing one circle in the middle, one circle on, or a half circle sort of coming off the side, and another half circle coming off of this side. Then I might even draw a little bit of an overlap. So maybe behind this pumpkin, I have a tall pumpkin like this. So he's right behind him a little bit. Then I'm going to put a few other pumpkins around my picture. I like to put sort of a medium-sized pumpkin right here in the side, or I guess towards the middle of the page. And then up about 3/4 the way, not all the way to the top, but close to the top, I'm going to put some smaller pumpkins. So I'm going to do a small circle, and then I'm going to put the two curves off of the side. I might do some tall ones up here, but still pretty small. And then maybe I'll even have one that sort of goes off the page down here. So you can't see the whole thing, but it looks the biggest. That's gonna make my picture look pretty interesting. So now that I've got a couple pumpkins, I can draw where my ground line would go. So right behind all of these pumpkins, I'm going to draw a ground line, but I need to make sure that these two top pumpkins are touching the ground. So I'm actually gonna go about halfway up this pumpkin and draw my line through the halfway. Just I'm going to jump over the pumpkin so I don't go through them. Maybe these will be on a hill. All right, so that's our first step.